Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide apps on your Samsung Android device. Whether you are looking to keep certain apps private or just want a cleaner home screen, we have got you covered. So let's start the video. To hide apps in Android phone, open mobile settings by tapping on the settings app in your app drawer. Once you are in the settings, scroll down until you find the home screen option. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you are in the home screen settings, you will see a variety of options. Look for hide apps on home and app screens. Now tap on it. Here you will see a list of all the apps installed on your Samsung device. Simply select the apps you want to hide by tapping on them. Once you have chosen the apps, tap Apply or Done at the bottom of the screen. The selected apps are now hidden from your home screen and app drawer. So these are the two hidden apps in Hidden Apps section. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to hide apps on your Samsung Android device. Thanks for watching.